Great things are never done by one person, they are done by a team. I am Arman Hussain from Bangalore, Karnataka, and I am thrilled to share that I have been selected by Magnasoft with a package of 3 LPA. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from HJB Institute of Technology, Bangalore in 2023. During my job search, I discovered Evision Technoserve, an IT recruitment and consulting company. Enrolling with Evision was a pivotal decision in my career. With the guidance of their IT managers, administrators, and trainers, I acquired valuable industry relevant skills including network fundamentals, CCNA, Computer Network Plus, Windows and Linux administration, cybersecurity, ITIL, etc. I am deeply grateful to the trainers at Evision for their exceptional professionalism and support, which significantly enhanced my career prospects. I recommend Evision to job seekers looking for expert guidance and efficient career development. Their support can save your time, energy, resources in your job search. Thank you, Evision, for playing such a crucial role in my career advancement.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.